Hi, you'll probably see on my whiteboard a nice three-dimensional cube, okay? Now, what I'm gonna show you is how do we find the volume of this cube. So you might remember area from 4th grade, and with area, that means you multiply. Volume is essentially the same idea. Area just looks at what we call kind of the surface area, or just kind of the flat part. Volume considers the height, or how much complete space that it takes up. So think about like how much room does a box take up inside of a moving truck. So I see that and I'm gonna say this is in feet. So I see that my length is 5, my width is 4, my height is 3. The formula for finding the volume of what we call a rectangular prism is length times width times height, okay? LWH. So I'm gonna write my number sentence off the side. So I have 5 times 4 times 3, okay? So I have 5 times 4 times 3. Then I just like to kind of either find like facts or just kind of combine it a cluster at a time. So I have 5 times 4, which is 20. I'm gonna bring down the 3, and then 20 times 3 is 60. That means that the volume of this rectangular prism is 60 feet cubed. Now, could I have done this in my head? Probably. But I still like to kind of annotate and show my work as I go, so that way I prevent myself from making those simple mistakes. Like say, I accidentally do 5 times 3 in my head, or I'm like, oh, I did 5 times 4. I need to do it by 4 again, or just little things like that. So that's why I always take the time and write it down, all right?